is Mandy from Zhejiang Leisure Products Company Limited. Today I want to introduce our hot selling camping chair and the table set to you. You can see this is very beautiful and nice set. This is the camping chair. The camping chair is very durable and very comfortable. You can see the tube is steel with pot coating and the cover fabric is Oxford fabric, and we also put very nice print logo here. You can see this is our brand called Sunning View. For this camping chair, the capacity is about 225 pounds. Now let me try it. It's very comfortable. We also call this chair fishing chair. When you go out fishing and you can take it. It's very easy to take. Now let me show you how to fold it. The folding size is very small and we have a carry bag to store it. When you take it out with carry bag, it's very convenient. Because this is set and you can take them with you when you go out with your family. The table is a steel tube with Oxford fabric and durable mesh. You can see the mesh on top. We also make two cup holders on the top here, and you can put your cup like it. You can put your cup in this cup holder. It's very convenient and useful. We also put our logo here. When you have customized order, and we also do your logo on here. Actually, the folding size is very small and we can put them together into one carry bag. So when you take the set out with you, it's very comfortable and very enjoy your holiday life. Okay, if you like this set, you can leave me a message and I can send you more information and quote your best price. We also can make samples to you for quality checking. Okay, please leave me a message. Bye.要不介绍一个